Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. So right here I have 715 grams of chicken wings that I already went off camera and washed. Also I have my black pepper, my garlic salt, my chicken seasoning, and my cornstarch, right? And I'm going in with a half teaspoon of black pepper, right? Also gonna add half teaspoon of garlic salt. Also 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, right? And wait, I'm not gonna put my cornstarch as yet. I'm just gonna massage my seasoning before adding the cornstarch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rub. Make sure you get the seasoning to marry these chicken wings, right? Just rub, right? Rub until you feel satisfied. Okay, so now I'm going in with my cornstarch. Alright guys, and I'm gonna massage my cornstarch all over my chicken wings. So make sure the cornstarch married the wings as well, right? So you want to get that nice creamy paste, right? Alright guys, so I'm just gonna leave it to marinate for a couple minutes before I start the frying process, right? I already went ahead and placed my pot on the stove to hot, right? And I'm going in with some corn oil. And guys, you can use whichever oil you choose to use, right? Just make sure you add enough oil in the pot to submerge these wings while frying. Now I'm gonna check if my oil is hot, right? And I'm using a bamboo stick. And guys, you see those bubbles coming off the bamboo stick? That means the oil is ready. So I'm just gonna add my wings, right? So after placing all my chicken wings in the pot, right, I'm just gonna allow it to fry for 12 minutes. Now I'm gonna take my fork and just move them around a bit, right, just to ensure that everything is properly submerged in the oil. After finish frying, I'm now gonna remove my wings from the oil, right? And guys, look at these wings. Whoa, just look at that gorgeous golden color. Ain't this beautiful? Guys, you want to smell it too. It smells so good. Trust me. After removing all my wings from the oil, I'm now gonna go ahead and move my pot to the side, right? But we're gonna start with the process of making this buffalo sauce. So make sure you turn your stove down on low heat, because trust me, you don't want to burn this sauce. Alright, so first I'm gonna start by adding 113 grams of butter, right? So I'm just gonna allow my butter to melt, and I'm just tossing it around just to make the process a little faster. After my butter has melted, I'm just gonna add 3/4 cups of hot pepper sauce. Also gonna add half teaspoon of chili powder. Also gonna add half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and guys, you can use regular vinegar. And now I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So now you're just gonna stir until everything is properly blended, right? So just continue stirring until the cornstarch is dissolved. Alright, so look at this now, guys. This is the consistency you're looking for. Look how beautiful it is. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my sauce to my wings, right? And the reason why I'm using this plastic dish is because I have a lid for it. I'm just gonna shut that lid, right? Nice, make sure it's nice and sealed, and we're gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Yeah. Blend it up nice and properly, right? Look at it now. Voila, magic. This is magic right here. Wow.